Yan. Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. Ngayon guys, kung nakita nyo tong towel na to,
Towel na to.
Yan.
Yan.
Meron tayong tatlong paraan kung paano natin siya itinupi. Ayan. Ayan. Turo ko sa inyo guys. Madali lang siya at para maging maganda yung itsura ng inyong closet. Ito yung ating pangalawa. And ito yung ating pangatlo. At ito lang guys, pag nilagay nyo siya sa closet nyo, ito lang yung side na ilalagay nyo. Huwag itong side. Itong side lang siya. Ayan. Kung saan yung magandang tingnan. Ayan. Meron tayong tatlo. Ito yung una natin ginawa. Ito yung pangalawa. Ito yung pangatlo. Turo ko sa inyo guys kung paano natin ito ginawa. Ayan. Fold nyo lang siya ng ganyan, triangle. Ayan. Triangle siya. Ayan yung una.
Triangle? Wait, can I try?
No.
I need to learn.
Let me finish.
Finish?
Don't distract me.
No, I just wanna
Okay.
entertain the viewers.
Okay. Now you fold the triangle and then fold this one.
Yeah, like that.
And then
What do you do?
down.
Upside down?
And
Wait,
then-
I can fix the part?
Okay, yes.
Yes.
And now fold it this way like this.
This way.
Roll it
Can I
up.
try? I wanna roll it.
Roll it up.
I'm gonna roll it.
Okay.
Like.
Make it nice.
I just wanna try.
I know. Thank you. Roll it
Can
up.
I roll it up?
And then, ito yung edge niya guys. Lalagay niyo dito sa...
You lock it.
Tatak-in
lock
niyo
it.
siya.
Yeah, you lock it.
Yeah, lock it.
I was about to say lock it, but it was late.
Yeah.
Simply easy.
Yeah.
Simply easy.
Ayan. See? How cool is this?
Simply easy,
Yeah.
guys.
And next, ito yung susunod natin. Guys, ito yung susunod na ating gagawin. So, i-fold nyo lang yan siya. Ganyan. And tapos,
I'm making a Lego plane.
yeah.
This. Look. I have humans too,
Okay.
but
So,
you just can't
Finish it.
put something
ito yung
inside.
pangalawa natin,
Ay, yeah.
guys. Ito yung pangalawa natin.
Here you go.
Ayan. Tapos, fold nyo lang siya ulit. And then, cut nyo siya ng ganyan. Ayan. Kinat natin.
Oh, silly me.
Ayan.
Oh, silly me.
Ayan, guys. See? Easy. Like this. Ayan. Pangatlo. Ayan. 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 Hindi natin to papakita yung ditong side, guys. Kundi papakita nating side, itong side lang. Ayan, napakadali lang ng ating pagtupi. Ayan. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung ating closet. Ayan. Ito yung first na ginawa natin kanina. At ito yung second na ginawa natin. Tingnan nyo. Napakasimple lang niya. Yan, Johan wanna put them together. Yan, that's my boy.
Yay.
He always help mommy.
Thank you, Mommy, for giving me a turn now.
I love you. That's my boy.